Hi, I'm Romeo Caparasa from Tax Accounting Adelaide, and I am an accountant and I run a small accounting firm called Tax Accounting Adelaide, and I'm also a small business owner myself, and I conduct monthly business networking events with some business owners, and this month I put together some business owners, and I asked them what were the biggest advice they could give other business owners that they'd learned themselves or had been taught themselves. And here are the biggest uh, business advice that business owners themselves say is their best advice. Okay, the first one was stick to running one business in the early days. So the tip there is not to run more than one business. Just get one business right, focus on that and get that right. If you start to create more than one business, then you're not going to get it right, and probably not spread yourself thin and not get it right. Number two is get your price right. So, it's a real art to be able to sell your services and goods at the price you want to sell them at. And also, it's really important to sell them not too low, because if you're selling them at a price too low and people are prepared to pay more from, you're losing money on the table. And also not too high, because if you sell it too high, you may not sell enough of them. So yeah, that's a fine tuning act there. But number three is to make the hard decisions early. So whether that be with staff, joint ventures, or softwares or suppliers, you may need to make some difficult decisions where you've got to stop that relationship, get a better result, and that. But the important thing is to make that hard decision early. Can save you a lot of losses or tension and stress. So the better, the earlier you can fix that and make headroads into making that hard decision, the better for you. So that's a top advice tip there. Number four is to surround yourself with the right people. So be they staff, suppliers, mentors, referrers. It's really important to be around good people, and that will give you that team. You need that interdependence with other people to take off yourself. A really good advice is to know why you're doing what you're doing. Not just saying, oh yeah, I'm an accountant because I do tax returns. You've really got to understand why you really love to work with, and which situations you really like to work with, and how you feel you're doing better to the world, and that will help you as a great advice as well. Another best business advice is to learn to sell yourself. So no matter how, this is the important thing I think you can take from this is sometimes the most technical, brilliant tradesperson or consultant or whatever, any kind of thing, the most technically talented may not be the one who does best, because the one who usually does best is the one who can sell his products best, create the best services and solutions, and may not necessarily need all the technical and knowledge, because he has good people around him anyway. So really learning to sell yourself is really the key to generating success in your business. And lastly is to make your service about a relationship. So all clients and customers will love it if you care about them and you have a relationship with them, and it goes further than the price. So actually knowing you, and that you can give that extra service and understanding, and maybe stop them making an error or protect them from what can go bad in your service industry or goods industry, is really what can keep a successful relationship with a client. So I hope you enjoyed our little tips on what business owners have said it was their best advice. I'm sure there's many more. If you want to add some more, please comment below or let us know. Thank you. I'm Romeo from taxaccountingadelaide.com.au. Thank you. Bye.